Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Word where we discover some new tricks about Word or learn new stuff about Word. If I write this word welcome and I spell it incorrectly and then I press space, what you see is that it removed one of the L's from the word welcome. Let's give another example. So if I put a colon and then an open bracket, what happens is um, okay, an open bracket right now and then C and then close bracket. What you see, it has the copyright symbol. What is happening? Why is it happening? Well, Word has this feature called autocorrect. Okay, it autocorrects some misspelled words. It's a shortcut also. Okay, for inserting symbols in Word. Okay, so you can adjust these autocorrect. You can add words to it, or you can add shortcuts to it. So how do you do that? Um, we'll do that in a bit. You go to File, you go to Options, Proofing, and then autocorrect options right there. And then you have this, okay, R open bracket C close bracket C will give you the copyright symbol. Okay, colon with the open bracket will give you a frown face. And then you have these words. Okay, if you spell across with ACCROOS, okay, it will autocorrect it to ACROOS, double O double S, sorry, not double O, one O double S. Okay, then we have other words. Okay, in this list, it's a very long list. You can add words. Okay, so if I write the word um you can see director. If you spell it with the E, it corrects it to the with the O. Okay, so if I write the word coming, okay, and I suppose it already has it there, then what can I write instead of that? Okay, so if I write, if I'm in a hurry and I just write go, or maybe okay, double O, okay, that's not even a good example. Okay, so yes, this is a perfect example. If I write that, but instead of I spell it THT, okay, I will replace it with THAT, then add it, and then click OK, and OK again. Then let's test it and THT space, then it auto corrects it. Now that is autocorrect feature in Word. It's a very good, helpful feature. Okay, it's actually a very amazing feature in Microsoft Word. Okay, saves you from making mistakes. So what is a template, right? Let's explore templates. Okay, we go to File, we go to New, and you see all of these templates. Okay, all of these are templates. A template, by the way, is a pre-formatted document. Okay, a pre-structured document. Okay, you can use this template. Okay, like you have a template for a letter, template for a CV. Okay, and you can search online. Okay, for different templates, you have this search bar on top under the word new here on top. Okay, then you have an apothecary letter and adjacency report, equity letter, and different types. Okay, if you want to write a blog post, a CV, and quite a number of things. But if I want to make my own template, okay, how can I do that? All right, so I have this document here. Okay, this template. Okay, I made it myself. Let me know down in the comments what you think about it, and I want to save it. Okay, I want to save it so that I can use it again. A template is something that you will is pre-formatting that you or something structured as a document structured, a Word document structured in a certain way, which you will use it use again just putting different information in it. Okay, just the styling and the formatting remains the same, just the the flesh, you can understand it as the flesh being different, okay, the skeleton being the same. So I want to save it as a custom template. How would I do that? You go to save as. Alright, okay, then it will take you to this custom office templates. Then you click save. Then there we are, we saved it. Now if we load this template, how do you do it? You go back to new, and then you have featured, then you have the personal tab. You click personal, and there you have your tab, your custom made template, and you can see it popped it, opened it. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.